Hi, this is Glenn Sharp of Sharp Innovation Solutions, and I'm going to do a short video of how to register for Google in Canada for a Google account. So I've got a little flashlight on my cursor so you can see where the cursor is going. And so the first thing to do is I want to highlight, first of all, that you need to go to the google.ca site, and that's where you start your process for registration. First thing you do is click on the sign in, and that will take you to the next section of the site for Google accounts. There's two ways you can set up an account. One is to just create an account without email, and the other way is to do it with the actual Gmail, which is what I'm recommending because it's useful to have a Gmail account, as well as gets some additional features for you. So we're going to click on Gmail to go to the Gmail portion, and normally you would sign in, but we don't have an account yet, so we're going to do the sign up for Gmail. So here we select sign up for Gmail, and then we just get to the part where we create our account. The language is English, which is typically what we would use, and then you have to put in your first name, your last name, and then your desired login name. And the example they give is your first name with a period and then your last name, which is then having a @gmail.com as part of the Gmail application. So you can put in your first name and your last name into this field, and then click on check availability, and that will allow you to determine if that name is still available as a Gmail account. And if your first choice isn't there, then you'll have to maybe get a bit creative on what other variations you might want to use. But I recommend using the first name and last name because that's something that it's easily guessed for people that want to send you email. Then you have to pick your password and re-enter that password to make sure it's you didn't make a mistake in typing it in. It has to be a minimum of 8 characters as it's showing here, and you want to have something that's got a different types of characters that are not easily guessed. The normal account defaults of remembering the person on the computer and enabling web history, I would recommend to keep those as the default. So if we just scroll down after you've entered that information, then you will want to next answer a security question. Just scroll it down all the way. So you can choose a question here, whichever one is your preference that you can pick from here. You can even write your own question if you want. So then you can put your answer, and then you need to put in your secondary email, which is another email address you have that can send that information to you if you forget your password for Gmail. Then the location for us Canadians is Canada, so you just leave that. And then there's a word verification, which is to make sure that it's not some kind of internet program that's trying to do this registration. It's actually a person. So in here you would type, based on this text that's hard to read by a computer, you would just type that in. So in this case, it's PAREKEIGS, all lowercase. It's not case sensitive, but you can just put in the lowercase. Then there's the terms of service for the service, and you can read those here. So you can just scroll down, and it will tell you all about the service. So you probably want to scan that just to make sure you're comfortable with all the conditions. I'm not going to read through that. That's something for your, if you want to take the time to do that. And then when you're finished you of course just do the clicking of the button for I accept and create an account, and you'll have your account set up. So there's a quick and easy little video on how to set up your Google account with Gmail, and I'll do another update for you on how to use your Gmail account. But hopefully if you can get past that first step, you'll be well on your way to using Google and Gmail. Thank you.